So here are the 10 foods you should not partake of, that you should eliminate in all diets, even the paleo diet. I recommend this. Never eat a piece of chicken. Chickens do not have urinary tract systems. They absorb their own urine, but that's what makes them juicy.
Ooh.
You do not want to be eating the acidic fluids of a chicken. This is why they call chickens foul. Any fowl is foul, and is foul because they are acidic. They're acidic in the tissues. So chicken is something you never partake of if you want to stay healthy and fit. The second food you never eat is pork. Pork is also a very acidic meat. That's my second food. The third food that you never eat are eggs. I don't care what kind of egg, you just don't eat eggs. Eggs not to be ingested, they are to produce the very entity that they were meant to produce. So a chicken egg is to produce a chicken. So whoever came up with the idea of eating eggs, for protein, here again doesn't understand that each egg contains 38,500,000 pathological microorganisms once you break it. Once you physically disturb the egg matter by breaking it, you instantly create microforms, bacterial forms, that are so rampant and so extensive that they pollute the internal environment, activate the immune system for up to 5 hours to clean up the mess that you've created. So that's my third food never to eat. The fourth food never to eat is cheese. Cheese is concentrated acid. It will immediately create a release of sodium bicarbonate and create phlegm or mucus in the body. That includes other dairy products such as ice cream, yogurt, and even cow's milk, which is meant for baby cows, not for human consumption. They contain an acid called lactose, which also can break down to lactic acid, which can cause cancer. The countries that are high in their consumption of dairy products have the highest rates of reproductive cancers and breast cancers. So I do not recommend any dairy products under any circumstances. The next food that I recommend never to eat is corn or corn derivatives. Corn contains an acid called fructose. Fructose is a neurotoxin. It's the fastest way to destroying the brain cells in your gut, because you have more brain cells in your small intestine than you do in your head. That's my gut feeling anyway, pun intended. And you make your decisions from your gut. The gut determines your level of consciousness. So we don't want to eat foods that do not liquefy or digest, like the animal proteins, the chicken. Okay? That's out. Turkey's out. Eggs are out. Pork is out. Dairy is out because it produces acids that are mucus forming. Corn is out because of its high fructose, and corn derivatives, like high fructose corn syrup. It's already been validated that fructose is a neurotoxin. Fructose is responsible for many neurological conditions, like Parkinson's, like Alzheimer's. And this is published, documented research. So corn is out. Peanuts are out. Why? Because they're high fungal. When we eat them, they do not digest. Their particulates activate the immune system. Peanuts are out. Fermented foods like soy sauce or any fermented soy is totally out. Alcohol. Well, we all know what that does. That is a beverage that shouldn't be eaten. On top of the other beverages, all energy drinks, all sports drinks, because they all have a pH less than 3, primarily down in the 2s and 2.5s, and they destroy the alkaline design of the body. Black tea is out. When you're talking about black tea at a pH of 2 to 2.5 versus, like, say, coffee, coffee is like a saint at a pH of 5 to 5.5. But it's not on my top 10 list. I don't drink it because it is an acidic beverage, but it's not on my top 10 list. I just gave you the top 10 foods.